Hello students, how are you all of you? I hope you are good and enjoying your online classes. Today I am going to teach you grammar, present, past, continuous tenses. Okay, last period we have learned the simple present tense, simple past tense. Now we are going to, so all of you have to listen carefully and watch this video. Let's begin. Today we are going to learn, I am going to teach you present and past continuous tense. Okay, see the definition of present tense. Present tense, when we want to talk about something that is happening right now, temporary situation, a future plan. When should we use the future tense? When should we have to use the present tense, present continuous tense? When we talk about something that is happening right now, or temporary situation. It's called present continuous tense. See the example. Peter Rabbit is running to Mr. McGregor's garden. Yes, right. In this story, Peter Rabbit it is running. Here it is running. It shows the rabbit is running now. Mr. Gregor's garden. It shows is running. It shows here. It's happening right now. It's Peter is running right now in to the Mr. McGregor's garden. Okay, so that is happening right now. The cow is eating grass. I am going to the park now. I'm going to. It shows the future plan. It shows the future plan or temporary situation. It shows the cow is eating grass. Right now the cow also eating grass. Is eating, is running, I am going. It shows the present continuous tense. Let us see the formula of the present continuous tense. Here given subject am is are plus verb. Verb we have to use ing when am is are is there in the sentence. These are the helping if are there. We have to use ing form to the verb or action word, then plus object. Okay, see the example here. The cow is eating grass. The cow is eating grass. Okay, in this sentence subject is the cow, helping verb is. Okay, then eating verb ing, main verb is eat. We should have to use here ing to the main verb. Object, it is the grass. Okay, I hope you have understood the formula with the help of this sentence. Okay, next tense, it is simple past continuous tense. When we are describing something that is happening in the past on a particular time, it's called the past. So this tense called past continuous tense. Let us see the example. Peter Rabbit was feeling unwell yesterday. Means yesterday, it shows it's happened already in the past. Yesterday, this word, it shows the action happened yesterday. It's happened in the past. What happened? Peter Rabbit was feeling unwell. He's not feeling well after eating lettuce and beans. Shh. Next example. It was raining when the postman arrived. It was raining when the postman arrived. This sentence shows the when for some time and in between or interrupted by another action. When something is happening right now, right that time, someone is doing the action and that time, or interrupted by another action. See the example here. It was raining when the postman arrived. At the time the rain At that time rain has started, and at that moment who arrived there? The postman arrived. That is the two actions happened or happened that time, happened in the past. It's called past continuous tense. Let us see the, I'm going to tell here next example to understand better. I lost my water bag or tiffin bag yesterday. I lost my tiffin yesterday at school. Means I lost my tiffin. When he lost his tiffin? He lost his tiffin yesterday. Yesterday shows the action already happened before. Okay. So this sentence shows it is the past continuous tense. Now present continuous sentence I am going to tell here. I am teaching present continuous tense because why I am taking this sentence? Because now I am teaching this present and past continuous tense, so I wrote this sentence here to understand everyone. Okay, let us see the formula of past continuous tense. Subject was, were plus verb ing to the verb plus object. Let us see the example. Here I am writing here, Rahul was playing football. Okay, subject is Rahul here. Was, it is the helping verb. Was, were used in place of helping verb, and playing, it is the action word. We have to use ing as per mentioned in the rule. Then we have to put here or complete the object. We have to write here object. Okay, it means after verb it comes object. This is the clear statement. Rahul was playing football. Here was playing, it shows the past tense. Rahul was playing football in the morning. Okay, in morning it shows he was playing football in the morning, not now. This action has already happened. Let us see the question A. Now read the dialogues between Ratna and Rishi and underline the verbs in the present continuous tense. We have to read the dialogues between Ratna and Rishi. They both are discussing about the present. Ratna and Rishi both are discussing and there is dialogue. So we have to find out the present continuous tense and use there and put the underline on the verbs. See their dialogues. Ratna said, Rishi, do you remember that we are performing the play next week? Ratna said, what Ratna said? Rishi, do you remember we are performing the play next day. Here are performing, it shows the present continuous tense. Next, Rishi said, yes, I am finalizing the script now. I am finalizing. This is the present continuous. Ratna said, as you know, I am directing the play. Please show me the script. I am directing, it is the present continuous. Rishi said, who is looking after the props? Is looking. Next, Ratna said, Tavish, Vinny is taking care of the costumes. Is taking, present continuous, it shows. Next question B. Read about the following incident that occurred in Maybell School. Maybell School, and underline the verb in the past continuous tense. Now we have to underline here past continuous tense which already happened in the past. Okay. So I'm going to read. So all of you have to take your pencil and underline the past tense, past continuous tense. It was the last day before summer holidays began. The children were finishing their English classwork while the teacher was checking their notebooks. Were finishing, it shows the past continuous tense. Suddenly Pranav heard a cat purr. He looked around and jumped up. Here was checking also, it is the past continuous tense. Next, a small brown cat was stretching itself. Was stretching, it shows the past tense, on the window sill after a nice long sleep. Pranav rubbed his eyes. Was he dreaming? Was he dreaming? Was dreaming, it shows here past continuous tense. Was he really seeing? Was seeing, it is shows here past continuous tense. Monks, the gardener's cat, the cat purred loudly and lay down again. Before long, he was snoring loudly. Was snoring, it is the past continuous tense. The whole class was laughing. Next, the children were bending over to look at monks who couldn't be bothered with all the noise. Here, the children were bending. Were bending, it shows the past continuous tense. Studies were forgotten. Now, all of you have, I hope, you have understood the present continuous tense and past continuous tense with the help of this exercise, with the help of these examples. Okay, so all of you to listen this video once again to understand better. Okay.